In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website's title tags, Wix SEO. If you want your pages to stand out in search results and help visitors quickly understand what your site offers, dialing in your title tags is one of the simplest and most effective steps you can take. Let's walk through it together, nice and easy. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar. Click on Pages to open the Pages pane. This is where all the pages on your site are listed, and it's the quickest way to jump into the settings you need. Find the page whose title tag you want to edit and hover your mouse over it. You'll see a three dots icon appear next to the page name. Click on that three dots icon to open a small menu of options. From that menu, select SEO Basics. This opens the panel where you can manage the key search settings for that specific page. Inside the SEO Basics panel, look for the field labeled Title Tag, or sometimes Page Title. This is the text that appears as the blue clickable headline in Google search results and in the tab at the top of a browser. Go ahead and edit the title to reflect what your page is truly about. Aim for something clear, descriptive, and compelling. A practical guideline is to keep it concise, often around 50 to 60 characters, so it doesn't get cut off in search results. Place your most important keywords toward the beginning, and consider adding your brand name at the end if space allows. Use simple separators like a dash or a vertical bar, avoid all caps, and keep it readable for humans first. As you type, check any available preview to see how your title might appear in search. That quick glance can help you spot truncation or awkward phrasing before it goes live. While you're in the SEO Basics panel, you'll also notice other fundamental settings like the meta description and URL slug. Even though we're focusing on the title tag today, remember that these elements work together to shape how your page looks and performs in search. Once you're happy with the wording, your changes are saved in the editor, and when you publish updates to your site, the new title tag will be used. That's all there is to it. To recap, open Pages, hover over the page you want, click the three dots, choose SEO Basics, and edit the title tag thoughtfully. A strong title helps search engines understand your content and encourages more people to click through to your site.